Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm She's Pretty Red. Okay, you guys, so jumping right into today's video, I will be doing another Amazon wig review for you all on this unit that I have here. So the hair that I will be reviewing for you guys today is a 13x4 lace front wig, you guys, in the color 99J. So right now I'm just showing you guys everything that came with the unit, and I just love how the texture of this body wave is. So it does come with 4 clips. You get 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back, as well as adjustable straps. It does comes with baby hairs as well. So I'm just trying this unit on just to show you guys how it's fitting. So like I said, the texture of this hair was really soft, you guys. I didn't get any tangles or shedding with this hair. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that I did not apply any glue to this hair, you guys. I decided to wear this unit strictly glueless, and I love it. wanted to stop while I was doing my hair because I don't know if you guys noticed, I did not glue this wig down. This is glueless right now, but I wanted to show you guys how you can tell this is white. So what I did was I went in with a little bit of my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, you guys, and put some of that powder on my lace. And I did go in with some foundation earlier on my lace as well, but it's still looking a little bit white. But I just wanted to show you guys this before I actually cut this before I actually cut my sideburn on this side. But other than that, you guys, I actually really do love this hair. It's so soft, y'all, and the body wave is definitely given, so I don't really have to go in and curl this hair at all unless you really want to define the curls in this unit. But me, I really do love it. It's giving what it's supposed to give, and I'm definitely loving it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing this side, and then we'll be done, you guys. And I just love that I actually got it on glueless, y'all. It's so comfortable, and you can take it off at night if you want to. But this is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, you guys, body wave, 20 inches, 99J. So yeah, y'all, I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the finishing look of this hair. I had to get my sideburns, you guys, and it is definitely giving. I love this hair. Y'all already know I love burgundy red or whatever, but yeah, y'all, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this hair, this quick, easy, simple style. You guys can do this straight out the pack. All you do is cut your lace, put a little bit of foundation, you guys. Cut your baby hairs, because it does come with baby hairs. All you do is cut your baby hairs, cut your sideburns, and you are good to go. You don't even have to put curls in this unit unless you want to have that extra body. But I actually love the texture of the body wave that it's given, and it looks so good. And like I said, y'all, it's super soft. I didn't get any shedding, any tangling, or anything with this hair. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I just wanted to come and give you guys my final thoughts on it. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. I'm definitely going to be leaving all the information in my description, so you guys can be sure to check them out as well. Peace, you guys.